हैव डू एवर थिंक कि क्या कोई आदमी 40 इयर्स तक बिना सोए रह सकता है? और क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि जो स्पेस है उसका स्मेल कैसा होगा? और ट्विटर का जो लोगो है उसे एक्चुअल में एक अलग ही नाम से जाना जाता है। सो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे अमेजिंग एंड माइंड ब्लोइंग फैक्ट्स को जानने के लिए डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो। फैक्ट नंबर 15, दुनिया का जो सबसे टॉलेस्ट ट्री है वो रेडवुड ट्री है एंड दैट इज सिचुएटेड इन कैलिफोर्निया एंड दिस ट्रीज कैन इजीली रीच हाइट ऑफ 300 फीट विच इज 91 मीटर्स। फैक्ट नंबर 14, हैव डू एवर सीन और ईटन अ स्क्वायर शेप वाटरमेलन? So it's actually pretty easy to grow a square shape watermelon. So while the watermelon is still small on the vine, square tempered glass box is placed around it. But there's a condition that the glass should be transparent because the sunlight has to reach all sides of the watermelon, and this is how you can grow a square shape watermelon. But these square shape watermelon are cost bit more than a normal one. फैक्ट नंबर 13, रशिया में एक टेटर है दैट इट इज़ नोन एज अ मॉस्को कैट टेटर दैट क्लेम्स टू बी ओनली कैट बेस्ड सर्कस इन द वर्ल्ड, विच इज़ नॉट करेक्ट। बट वन थिंग इज सर्टेन कि दैट शो में जो कैट्स ट्रिक परफॉर्म करती है दैट ट्रिक्स आर अस्टॉनिशिंग। सो आफ्टर दिस ऑल दैट द क्वेश्चन अराइज दैट हाउ एग्जैक्टली दे वर ट्रेन टू डू सच अमेजिंग ट्रिक्स। सो दैट जो सर्कस है उस पर एनिमल क्रुएल्टी का आरोप लगाया गया है, बट गॉड नोज दैट दिस एक्यूज इट्स ट्रू और नॉट। फैक्ट नंबर 12, जो रेनबो होता है वो आपको हमेशा हाफ सर्कल ही दिखता है, बट एक्चुअली में जो रेनबो होता है वो सर्कुलर होता है। सो दिस हैपेंस बिकॉज द अर्थ हॉरिजॉन ब्लॉक्स द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द रेनबो, हेंस वी कांट सी द फुल रेनबो। फैक्ट नंबर 11, there's a drink in Malaysia which is known as teh tarik, means pulled tea in Malaysian language. So the speciality of this tea is that it is thrown across a distance of about 3 feet from one cup to another. So the reason behind doing this that it enhances the flavor of the tea. फैक्ट नंबर 10, द वर्ल्ड्स लॉन्गेस्ट वेडिंग ड्रेस इज़ अबाउट 1.85 माइल लॉन्ग, और ये जो ड्रेस है वो रोमेनिया के एक वेडिंग सैलून ने डिज़ाइन किया था और ये गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में भी इसका नाम है। सो टू डिज़ाइन सच काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस दे रिक्वायर्ड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 3 miles of taffeta and 18 feet long lace. According to Telegraph, 1,857 sewing needles and 150 spools of thread were used in this creation. Fact number 9, sitting for more than 3 hours a day can cut 2 years of a person's life expectancy, even if he or she exercise regularly. Fact number 8, if you are watching this video by wearing headphones, so this fact is for you. Wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. But wearing headphone is not bad, but wearing it for more than 30 minutes is bad for your ears. Because when you put headphones, you cover your ears by artificial air, which increases production of bacteria by 700% in 1 hour. Fact number 7, जो owls होते हैं that they can't move their eyeballs. In fact, the owls don't have an eyeball at all. Fact number 6, butterfly did not taste with their mouth. They taste with their feet and have a suction tube for a mouth. Their eyes are made of 6,000 lenses and they can also see the ultraviolet light. Fact number 5, have you ever think that कि कोई चॉकलेट खाने से कोई कैट मर जाएगी? So yep, it's true. Chocolate can be lethal for cats, although most cats won't eat on their own, but they can be forced to eat by their owners. So this is because there is a toxic agent in chocolate that is the obromine, which is harmful for cats. Fact number 4, जो polar bears होते हैं that they have an excellent sense of smell with the ability to detect seals nearly a mile away. So this is because of their hairs are hollow, making for excellent insulation that it is capable of trapping much on their body heat. Fact number 3, ट्विटर लोगो का जो बर्ड है दैट इट हैज़ अ स्पेसिफिक नेम. So Twitter's platform product manager Ryan Server told that the world famous bluebird was in fact called Larry. Fact number 2. Have you ever think that कि space का smell कैसा होगा? So according to astronauts the space smells like a hot metal. So now the question arises that how the astronauts are able to smell the space while they are in suits. So they can't smell it while they are actually bobbing in it because the interior of their space suit just smell like a plastic. But upon stepping back into space stations and removing their helmets, they got a strong smell of hot metal. So this is how astronauts are able to smell the space. Fact number 1. So is it possible to sleep for 40 years? So the answer to this is yes. So during World War I, a Hungarian man named Paul Kern spent 40 years of his life without even once going to sleep until the time he died. So the story behind this that Kern served as a government official in the Eastern Front in the World War I in 1915. In the line of duty, he was shot in the head by bullet piercing through his cranium and causing serious damage to his frontal lobe. After being rescued, Kern received a treatment in Lemberg. So after the bullet was removed, from that point on until his death in 1955, the man did not sleep a wink. So this was the story of a sleepless man. So that's it for today. If you like the video, do share with your friends, and if you are new here, just subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.